So we're tacking up for pony racing here, so you always want to make sure that the bit is properly fitted and high enough up in the pony's mouth. Put a nice lead rein on both sides of the bit, rein stoppers, Irish martingale, neck strap, and you always have your breast girth as well. So we come to saddle up. We're using a non-slip pad here, which we don't use a chamois here, but if you don't have a non-slip pad, a chamois is often a good idea underneath as well. But these non-slip pads are very good for sticking. And then we're tacking up as if for the racecourse series, so we're using a weight cloth as well. And when you have a weight cloth, it's always important to have, you've got 4 pockets for the lead, very important to have the lead evenly distributed. So we've actually got 8 pounds of lead in here, so 2 pounds in each pocket. And the important thing is everything's balanced and neat and tidy. And so this girth will come down between the 2 pockets here. Harry's tacking up on the other side here, and he just keeps a hand on the tack to help make sure that it's all straight and doesn't slip in the tacking up process. And then we have our number cloth, again on nice and neat and centrally, so it's even either side. Check with tucking any excess number cloth in. And then the saddle, the minimum size saddle for pony racing is 3 pounds made up and 16 inches long. Again, so Harry's straightening the girth there now, and then we put the breast girth on. So it's on the girth straps before tightening the girth up. Okay, and so I'll check with Harry what hole are you on the girth that side?
7.
7. So you want, again, the girth to be on nice and evenly each side. So I'm on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I'm on 6 there, and I'll probably be able to get one more quite easily. The girths are good and elasticated, so you don't want to be careful not to over girth as well. So again, we're on hole 7 each side. You don't want to be having on the top hole on one side and the bottom hole on the other, so that everything's nice and even and balanced. The breast girth, again, I'm on hole number 3 this side. Harry, what are you on? 3. So again, even each side. You want to be able to get a nice finger's worth in, so it needs to be loose enough not to inhibit the horse's action or pony's action, but obviously tight enough is there to do a job to stop the saddle slipping back. So he'll be able to move nicely with that, and the saddle won't go back. The breast girth then goes on, the surcingle then goes on through the stirrup levers underneath the holders. Always done up from the near side. Again, wants to be on. So it's covering the girth straps out, or if you want to retighten the girths at all. Again, it's elasticated, so it wants to be just nice and snug there. Keep us in and touch back in from the person on the offside.
Right.
Making sure nothing's pinching. And just double check on the offside. Again, nicely covering the girth. Nice and tight. Good to go. And then finally, very importantly, so obviously you've got an elasticated girth, is to stretch the pony's legs out so that you don't have any pinching, and there's a nice stretch before they go. We're good to go.